In front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Now scroll down again, tap on Font, and operate this font size slider to adjust it. You can check out preview above. When you finished, to save your changes, tap on Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!